So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the net income of a stock here on TradingView. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, select a stock of your choosing. So for this demonstration, I'll go to the bottom, press on Explore right here. I'll then go to Stocks right here. And how about I just select an American stock? So to scroll down and press United States right here. I will then scroll down, and how about we select Tesla for this demonstration? So press Tesla right here. The stock chart is open now. If you want to find the net income, simply just scroll down to where it says key stats right here. And if you keep scrolling down to where it says net income, it actually here for Tesla in this case is 15.00 billion USD. So you can also go to more financials as well if you want to find more details. You can go to stats right here, for instance. You kind of find a whole bunch of different stuff right here. But if you're looking for the net income, as I mentioned before, just close this right here. You can view net income. Let me just scroll down here where it says key stats right here, net income, and it is right there in front of you. So super simple, super straightforward. That is how to view net income of a stock here on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.